What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. Today we're going to clean out this engine bay. So, check it out. Alright guys, so I have capped off all of our little ports and put baggies over things that I don't want to get super soaked or wet, all this stuff. But basically we're just going to try to clean this out to get a little better looking before we start to stuff a new motor. We are going to have to make some adjustments to this wall here. Probably have to do a cut and make room for the engine block and transmission. This may have to get modified a little bit. We also are buying the H adapter kit for the engine compartment here. But let's get started. We got some engine degreaser and some mean green. We're gonna get after it. Hey, I want you to take that scrub brush, that cleaner, and I want you to spray it everywhere. Yeah. Could be good for you. Do dad thing. Dad things.
And now it's time for Motivations with Zach.
Things are always going to get better. And just never give up on your goals that you want to achieve. Somebody's trying to bring you down, say you can't do this, you can't do that. Nah, don't listen to them. Do your own thing. See, my dad really wants to build this car. I'm here helping him achieve his goal. Ah, frick. We'll be right back after the short break.
Alright, so Zach did a pretty good job. Didn't you do a pretty good job, Zach?
Yeah. Great job.
Yeah, so good he's doing it again. Anyway, I'm going to take this time to... What?
Am I cleaning it or you are? Huh? I want to hear it.
Okay. Anyway. Suit upgrade!
It's morphin' time!
Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's episode of Robbie Sucks. Zach absolutely knocked it out of the park cleaning up this engine bay. Like, subscribe, keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks content, and if you want to support the channel, hit up Robbie Sucks store integra.com. Remember, it's okay to suck.
Just don't give up.
Just don't give up. I'm thinking ice cream.
Ice cream?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
All right. We'll catch you later. Peace.
Later.
Are you talking?
What? No. Nah. Just cleaning in the car. Scrub, scrub.